how to set a price alert in your XTB account. So simply open your XTB profile and find the stock where you want to add the price alert. So for example, the ExxonMobil. And now we want to scroll down and here we'll find price alerts. Simply click on this plus. My notifications are off, so simply go to settings and enable notifications. Make sure this enabled. Now go back to your XTB. Again, click on this little plus. And now select the price type for which you want to set a price alarm. So for example, the sell price, or you can also check the buy price and set here the price which you want to be alerted. Down here you can also make some notes, for example buy, and then simply finish the process, set alert. Once the stock will hit this price, you will be alerted. If you want to simply remove that, click on this trash bin and it's gone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.